Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen in Cookingdom. First, cook noodles in boiling water for 2 minutes, then drain but reserve 1 cup broth. Sauté aromatics like garlic and green onion in sesame oil, add broth, soy sauce, and a splash of vinegar, return noodles, simmer 1 minute, and finish with an egg or sliced protein before serving. Garnish with chili oil and sesame seeds for bold flavor. Gather ingredients so cooking flows smoothly. A good broth, soy sauce, sesame oil, noodles, aromatics, and toppings. Measure as you prep. 1 tablespoon soy, 1 tsp sesame oil, 1 cup reserved water, and a pinch of salt. Chop green onion, mince garlic, and ready any protein. Keep everything within reach so you can finish quickly and serve hot, achieving the best texture and flavor in every bowl. Heat control is the secret to perfect ramen. Medium-high for aromatics, then gentle simmer once broth is added. Toast spices briefly to unlock aroma, then pour in broth and reserved water to adjust thickness. Return noodles for only 1 minute so they stay springy. Taste and tweak with salt, soy, or vinegar. Plate immediately with toppings to preserve texture and serve the bowl while it is steaming and inviting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.